This film has been made to show the main security features in the Eastern Caribbean dollars and to explain the main differences between the three most recent issues of banknotes. There are 5 notes in the banknote series: the $5, $10, $20, $50, and $100. Her Majesty the Queen, together with marine fauna, appear on the front of the notes. The back of the notes show a variety of images of local landscapes, buildings and wildlife from around the islands, with a portrait of Sir Arthur Lewis on the $100. We are now going to look at how to check that the banknotes are real. Banknote paper has a characteristic smooth feel, and there are areas of raised ink, the lettering on the top of the note, for example, which can be felt when running your finger over the note. A number of features can be seen when the note is held up to the light. The watermark is an image of the Queen, together with the letters ECCB for Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, as a lighter watermark alongside. These can be clearly seen when the notes are held up to the light. See-through feature. There is the outline of a large fish at the bottom left of the front of the notes. When held up to the light, parts of the fish fill in as the areas on the back of the note line up perfectly with the front. Security thread. The security thread appears as silver dashes on the surface of the front of the banknote to the left of the Queen. When held up to the light, you can see that the thread is a solid line and that the letters ECCB and the value of the banknote appear in small letters. You will see that there is also another security thread that is totally embedded in the note and only appears when it is held up to the light. There are also a number of features to look for when you tilt the note. Silver foil. On the top right of the front of the notes is a bright silver foil feature that shows up clearly as you tilt and move the note around. If you look closely, you will see that there are small numbers and letters showing the denomination value and the letters ECCB. Iridescent band. On the back of the note, there is a stripe of shiny golden ink showing different fish. As the note is moved around, the ink goes from shiny to dull. There are also a number of features that appear when you look at the note under an ultraviolet or UV light. Security thread. If you look at the security thread under an ultraviolet light, you will see the letters ECCB and the value of the note in yellow against a blue background. Silver metallic ink. In the middle of the back of the notes, there is a silver star and some fish which glow under ultraviolet light. We will now have a brief look at the differences between the 3 issues of banknotes that have been put into circulation most recently. 2004 issue. These are the notes that were issued in 2004. The banknotes had some green printed barcodes along the bottom of the front of the notes. The serial numbers on the notes had a letter both at the beginning and the end of the number. 2008 issue. These are the notes that were issued in 2008. The barcodes were removed from the notes, and the fish in the bottom left corner were converted to raised print. The serial numbers on the notes had 2 letters at the beginning of the number. 2012 issue. These are the notes that were issued in 2012. A new area of raised print has been added to the bottom left corner on the front of each note, apart from the $5. The image is different on each note, but shows a combination of cricket stumps and a ball, apart from the $100, where there is no ball, just stumps. Hopefully you now have a good idea what to look for to check that your notes are real. Feel. Look clearly. Tilt. And check.